contact with Kirk Davis through my work, community work with young community developers in San Francisco, YCD, and start to see him very regularly. I'm like, what are you? You always here too? That's great. And then again, started doing some more stuff with Lyrical Opposition, and then he pops up again. I'm like, this is funny. So this is good. I'm glad that we have these opportunities, that we managed to keep connecting, because last time I came out with him and he spoke, I was just like, oh, okay, so that's what we're going to talk about at church. I didn't know. They didn't tell me to be prepared for that exactly. Oh, yeah, no, yeah, okay, cool. And so now I know what to expect. And so I'm like, oh, y'all about to hear it. Okay, so I want everybody to get ready first. Just prepare your minds, prepare your hearts, and also everybody give a round of applause for Kirk Davis as he comes.
You're right.